Hey guys, welcome to Rev Games Academy. In today's video, we're introducing you to the basics of 3D objects like cubes, spheres, and planes. These simple shapes are the foundation of all 3D design, and we'll show you how they work and how you can start using them in your projects. So let's dive in and bring these shapes to life together. First, let's talk about what these objects are. A cube is a basic 3D shape with 6 equal square faces. It's a versatile building block used in many games and simulations, often representing solid objects like buildings or boxes. Let's create them in Unity. I begin by opening the Hierarchy panel on the left side of the Unity interface. To create a cube, I right-click in the hierarchy, navigate to 3D Object, and then select Cube. Instantly, a cube appears in my scene, positioned in the center like the first block of my digital masterpiece. Good. Now adjust the camera angle, the cube view in the game window. A sphere is a perfectly round object that can represent balls, planets, or any other rounded forms. Its smooth surface makes it great for dynamic interactions like rolling or bouncing. Now I add a sphere by repeating the process, right-clicking in the hierarchy, going to 3D Object, and selecting Sphere. A sphere appears in my scene. Now, change the camera angle to focus on the sphere. Next plane. A plane, on the other hand, is a flat surface that extends infinitely in 2 dimensions. In Unity, it serves as a ground or base for other objects, which is essential for creating a realistic environment where your characters and objects can interact. Now, I am going to add a plane. Again, I right-click in the hierarchy window and select 3D Object and then choose the plane. Finally, adjust the camera position to get a clear view of the plane in the game window. This flat surface lies beneath the cube and sphere, providing a stable foundation for my 3D environment. It's time to give the cube some personality by making it rotate. I will write a simple script to achieve this. In this script, I'm creating a simple behavior for the cube that allows it to move in my scene. The script is attached to the cube.g file in Unity. I create a script and write the code for cube. Click the add component in the cube and click the new script. Name it as cube. Click the create and add the script to the cube. The cube script was created. Now click the cube script. The Visual Studio is opening. Now no need start function for the cube script. Let's take the reference for the cube script. The rotation speed controls how fast the cube rotates in the plane. The update method continuously checks for user input. Check the condition using an if statement to determine which key is pressed. If the right arrow key is pressed, the cube moves rotate at a speed defined by rotation speed, ensuring smooth motion using time delta time for frame rate independence. If the right arrow key is pressed, the cube moves rotate at. Now, copy and paste the if condition, then modify it to use else if statements. If the left arrow key is pressed, the cube moves rotate at the same speed. This allows the cube to rotate based on the arrow keys. With everything set, save the code and go to Unity. Click the play to watch the cube rotate in real time. The plane supports it. The cube rotates in both the scene and game windows. And that's it. Successfully created 3D objects and added dynamic behavior to our scene. From here, you can expand the project by scripting more interactions or enhancing the environment. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Unity tips. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll explore more things in Unity. See you next time.